I think. What's funny is I oh yeah, was I even on Thursday? I don't think I was. Welcome to the stream. If you're watching, I appreciate you. Appreciate you. What was I gonna say? I don't even know. Oh yeah, Unminus has a new song. 23 days ago. I didn't even know Moon Landing. It's actually really good. Listen to it. Yeah. It's cool. Right? Oh, this thing doesn't adjust the volume. Yeah, it's cool. It's like, whoa, what the heck? It's like you almost want to start your stream with it, you know? Anyway. So yeah, Unminus. Oh, this is Hacker News. Okay, let's see. So I've done two things since the last stream. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, the first thing is I ran out of free... Actually, I've done three things, okay, on the internet. The first thing, I ran out of free Next DNS queries. So that's not good, right? So if I go anywhere today, you know, look at that. What does it say? You have made more than 300,000 queries. No more free ad blocking. It's pretty sad. It's a sad day. It's a sad life for me for now, for the next day, I think. Yeah. That sucks. The second thing I've done is WebSockets in Janet. All right. I was jealous about people and their WebSockets, so I just did it. And you know what sucks about WebSockets is it's there's a magic string, and when I realized there was a magic string, I almost like had a crisis of faith, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to just desktop programming. I'm not gonna sit around here, okay? And let me make that bigger. And do magic string programming, okay? To do WebSockets, but yeah, what's cool about the WebSockets, is so this is how it works, right? This is where I implemented the WebSockets. Oh, you know what? Did this not reload? Oh, it didn't. It didn't reload. Let me load it up again. There we go. One thing I think, yeah. Is this gonna actually load the? Yeah, it did. Okay. So oh wow, look at all this code. It's terrible. Okay, so I just hacked it together, obviously. Just looking at the shape of that code. So this is how it works. Okay, so in Janet, you say to_r, and then you give it like the numbers of the format. So this is 2 is like binary, right? 10 would be decimal. So WebSockets, I did not know this, but basically you like have a HTTP server, and then you go, I want to do WebSockets. So yeah, I was like, oh man, WebSockets, like I'll never be able to figure that out. That seems really complicated. And then what happened was I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it right now. I'm going to read some stuff, and I did. So here's the magic string right there. It's a UUID. It like, why is it there? I don't know. And then, so you basically, what happens is when you get headers that say upgrade WebSocket, right? And like connection upgrade, you say, okay, fine. I'm not gonna, you basically, it's like an extension of HTTP 1.1 keep alive. So that's exactly what it is. Like, it's not anything special. It's just you keep the TCP connection open. And that's the big secret to WebSockets. when I figured this out, yeah, like because I just wanted to be more, right? I wanted there to be more to it, I guess. I'm not really sure, but look, there it is. That's it right there. It's right there in front of you. So you take this magic string, you take the WebSocket key that gets sent from the client, you SHA-1, you in base 64 encode that binary string, and then you send it back to the client, and then the client goes, WebSocket connection established. And then the next thing is that it sends you a binary like it sends you binary numbers and you have to like and them with certain things to like unmask them, right? To like get the value. So there's like all these different bytes mean things like fin, opcode, masked, payload size, and the mask, and then the data's masked for some reason. Like none of this, like it makes sense, but none of it makes sense. It's like so dumb. So anyway, I had to like do XORing. Like I'm like, dude, I haven't XORed anything since I was in college. Anyway, so I did it. Yeah, and yeah, it works pretty well. It works pretty well. One thing I ran into was I had two tabs, right? I had two tabs open, and like the first tab, I connected to the WebSocket. I open a new tab, and it's connected to the same WebSocket. So I'm not sure what I did. I did something wrong, but other than that, yeah, it's okay. I mean, as long as one person connects at a time, you know? Let me show you what it looks like. So why did I do WebSockets, right? Why did I implement WebSockets for like the millionth time, right? Like, why am I bike shedding so much? What's wrong with me, right? I'm just shedding bikes. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question. But I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why I did WebSockets. This is why. Let me see. I wish I could. Can I get to the thing on GitHub? Okay, there we go. Okay, look at the. I'm not sure if I talked about this last time. I started to talk about it, but I don't think I did. Okay, check this out. This thing is really cool. Like, so you just type in put underscore text, and then it puts text on the thing. Like, you don't have to refresh the page, nothing. So like it's like React, but on the server, right? Like, look at this. Def on click is just a function, and then it says put markdown, and then you put the function in there. Like, look at this. Input, what's your name? And then you input your name, and then it sends it back to you as a string. It's like, oh my goodness, like, routes don't matter. Is it a get or a post? It does not matter. This is like a higher level of abstraction, right? I don't necessarily want it to work like this, but yeah, oh, look at that input group. So I was like, you know what? I want this. I want to do this. So I needed WebSockets. The alternative was polling with HTTP. Not terrible, but I figured, you know what? You might as well just leave the TCP connection open and just do WebSockets. So I'm going to show you what I've done here. This is what I've done. I've done the dumbest thing I could possibly think. So I think my real problem with this is that it does work. I'll show you how it works. Hold on. Actually, you know what? Okay, so the top is the implementation, and the bottom is like the API, right? So here, let me see if it works. Because I tried this before, but yeah, let me see. What did I call it? At first I called it solo, and then I called it warp, and then I was like, oh, I should make it like clever, like Star Trek. I should call it Scotty. And then I was like, just call it warp, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so check this out. Okay. It seems to not be crashing and burning yet, so... Okay, so it has 2 inputs, but it shouldn't. It should only have 1 input, but whatever. Okay, so what just happened was... Oh, I'll explain to you. Okay, let me zoom in here for a second. I don't know why it has 2 still. I should probably figure that out. Let me see. Send socket, input type number, num, right? And it says page. Yeah, it's interesting. Because, okay, so the first thing that happens, right, when you load the page is that it loads, why are there 2? Anyway, it, oh, you know what? Probably because, yeah, I don't know why. Anyway, so the first thing that happens is that it loads this index.html, right? Which like initializes the WebSocket. So here it is. And then it has an on open here, which I've commented out. And then it has, well, I've commented out a bunch of stuff, but it basically has every time a message is sent back and forth, it takes the HTML, it concatenates with the existing HTML variable, and then it assigns that to body, and then it listens for the blur event on every input with the type number, and it sends that across the socket. And then the other side, here, let me open up Borb. There we go. So the other side of it is, so this is the server, right? And if it's an HTTP request for the index page, it just serves up index.html, that same thing I just showed you. And then if it's a WebSockets request on index, it basically clears the HTML, and then it sets this socket variable, which is like the Janet connection, the socket connection, the request. And then it runs whatever I put in this macro, right? So this is what I put in the macro right here. I have a function called number input, which does 2 things. The first thing it does is it gets the message from the socket, if there is one, or it's 0, right? So that's like the initial state. And then it sends the input over the socket with the state. And then the next thing it does is this text thing, which should, this should not be working, honestly. Let me see. I don't know what's going on. Let me look at this one more time. Okay, unknown symbol Y. Now it's actually running my code. That's great. Okay, so let's just add 10. This actually works. Let me see. Okay, so I have 1 input here, right? So that's what happened. We can actually look at it. So here's the WebSocket connection, right? So the first thing it does, I can't zoom in. Hopefully you can see that. The first thing it does is send clear, right? And then it sends the input, it puts it in the body, right? Which it did. This is, okay, it just did a blur event. So here's the body input, that's it, right? And then it sends 10, right? Because there was a blur event, right? Well, it's no 0 and 10. Hey Matt, what's up? Should I do like a custom stickers or something? I don't know what people do. Okay, look. Oh my gosh, it's not even working. I talked all that talk, it's not even working. Anyway, so that's how it's supposed to work. I'm kind of, I wonder why. Did I change some names or something? Let me see. I mean, this is all very like experimental, but it's really cool. Like, there's another implementation of this called Streamlit. Streamlit.io. If it would show. Oh, there it is. this doesn't really, okay. So yeah, you call st right, and then it puts it in the thing. So it's similar to the, yeah, it's similar. But yeah, this is really cool. It's it's definitely like a higher level of abstraction over like routes and stuff. Because I could just imagine, like, instead of pre-styled things, it could be like it could be, you can just send HTML right over the wire. There's one thing I was like, you know what? I'm going down this rabbit hole, and it's kind of like, is this just a re-implementation of what already exists with get and post, right? that's what I was kind of like, I don't know like how good this is necessarily, but yeah, it's definitely like cool looking for a demo, right? Like, it's definitely something. There's something here, right? There's like the kernel of something. Yeah, it's very interesting. It stinks to re-implement, kind of like, it stinks to re-implement HTTP, but at the same time, like, if development is way faster, I don't know, you know? I don't know. It's really cool. I just thought it was cool. Yeah, I don't actually know how useful it is necessarily, but yeah, I should probably just abandon this and get back to what I was doing before. But yeah, I should wonder. I'm actually wondering why this isn't working. Let me see. What if I refresh? Oh, I have to actually restart. Okay. What if I do 1? Blur? Oh, 11. There it is. What if I do 12? Oh, it's... Okay. 13? Oh, well. Okay. Let me see. 13? No, it's not. Oh, there's something wrong with the state. This is another reason why WebSocket stinks. Because, like, the cleansing page change does not... the refresh does not help me. Yeah, it's definitely not working now. That's great. 15, clear, value 12. If I look at it's just 12, 12, 12. Okay, that's great. That's amazing. That's great. That's incredible. Even though I saw, oh, this is probably my WebSockets implementation, because it's sending 15, or like 13 here, but it's not receiving it. It seems to only receive the first one. So there it was, right? It sent 13. And then it responded with a clear, this, and then 23. Okay. And then I can send 11, right? Blur? Okay, 21. Cool. And then the next time I send something, it should be 10 plus 10. It's 21. It's the same. It's actually sent 10, but then yeah. Oh, you know what? I bet you this socket totally died, because I have this timeout set for 7 seconds. Here? Oh, 30 seconds. It probably didn't die then. Yeah, clearly I've never used WebSockets before either. But yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'm almost kind of like at the point where I'm like, is there a huge advantage to WebSockets? Like, yeah, it's well supported, but I don't know if it's like a huge thing. It's cool for development, maybe. Like, maybe I can use my newfound WebSocket powers for development. I don't know. I mean, because it'd be cool to just see things like happening. Wait, why does it have SoundCloud? It'd be cool to like see things happening, like in real time without refreshing the browser. But it's not like that cool, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, it does work at first, and then it stops working. That's great. So like now it's just totally broken, right? Like if I send 100, it should be 110, but it doesn't even seem to send. Oh, it says connection closed. Okay, so it did actually time out, and I think this is why. So I didn't implement two things with WebSockets. I didn't implement this ping pong thing, which is like this. It's just so janky. Like, I think you're trying to keep the TCP connection alive, but yeah. So it's like a heartbeat, right? You're like trying to keep the connection alive because, like, my server that has a timeout of 30 seconds. A lot of servers, I think, have that because you don't want to just keep the connection open forever, right? Because like HTTP keep alive doesn't really have like anything for like, oh, how long do you keep the TCP connection open? I don't know. So then I just close it at 30 seconds. Why not? You know? Actually, I close it even faster, like at 7 seconds, because like you connect. And then it's like, well, if it's a timeout, right? If it takes more than 7 seconds, I'm just going to time you out because that stinks. Like, it's clearly my fault that it took more than 7 seconds to get my stuff. So yeah, I'm very confused and excited by WebSockets. But yeah, I think what had happened was that what if I just take the timeout? Let me take that out. Let me see. Actually, you know what? Let me take that out. Let me only do 100 bytes at a time. Let me do that. Okay, let me reinstall this. This is gonna be hilarious. Let me see. Okay. Okay, yeah, this thing isn't even working. Okay, that's great. I totally ruined it by changing the connection. Oh, you know what? Because I think I'm only reading 100 at a time. So connection header. Let me see. What does it say? Oh, I'm trying to match pegs. Okay, so I actually need it to be higher for now. I'll fix that later. I was actually looking at how other HTTP servers do it, and like Ruby, for example, right? They read by new line, which is not a thing that Janet has, which is crazy. So yeah, that's working. And then does it keep working? No. So that third connection, for some reason, like the connection's still open. It doesn't say closed. But anyway, I think you get the point, right? Like it's a poor re-implementation of HTTP 1.1. Anyway, I'm gonna stop messing around with it for now. I'm just gonna go back to my regular scheduled programming. Let me see. I'm just gonna stash this. What am I doing? Okay. What else was I working on? Did I work on TinyMailer? I don't know. This is the longest I've ever worked on a project. Oh, an unstable price. Oh yeah, that's right. I was in the middle of doing something. I know it wasn't price. Implementing Stripe. That's what I was doing. Price is 0.001. Okay. I just wanted to talk about this Mailgun, right? So I'm trying to do this newsletter thing, okay? And I'm looking at the prices, right? I'm like, okay, let's just ignore this stuff. No one cares. So the thing that I care about is 80 cents for 1,000 emails, right? 80 cents for 1,000 emails, right? So that's 0.3 zeros and an 8, right? Per email. That's a lot. Like, what if I'm a really popular newsletter and I want to send I want to send weekly but I want to send 25,000 emails a week, right? So it's 100,000 emails a month. So if I send 100,000 emails with Mailgun, that's $80 a month. That is so much money. Like, that's so dumb. I was looking at, like, today I saw something on Hacker News. What is it? It's something else. It's something. Cherry blossoms. No. Let me see. Oh, courier mail server. That's what I was looking. So it's a mail transfer agent. I think it's just like an open source IMAP server. Yeah. Oh, it has some kind of webmail. SQ webmail. Okay. Oh, it has screenshots. Oh, let's look at this. Oh, wow. This looks good. It looks real good. It actually, you know what? What is this browser? Oh, this is like the original Mozilla browser. They haven't updated these screenshots. Wow. CGI bin. Oh, wow. This is something. Oh my SMTP. Dude, Matt, always coming through. Like, best. Okay, let me see. Fast and reliable transactional email delivery. Oh, I love this this Undraw guy. I love it. Undraw, let me see. I can probably find him. Browse now. Okay, let me see if I can find him. Like guy leaning on envelope. Let me see. It's probably gotta be in here somewhere. Subscriber. Oh, let me search like mail. Email. It's got to be in here. Let's see. Oh, they actually have Hey. They have a Hey one. That's interesting. Okay. Almost. There, right there. Message sent. It's the message sent guy. There it is. Yeah. Cool. Well, I found it. All right. Plans and pricing. Let me see. 1,000 emails a month for $40 a year? Is it, Wow, I had no idea. Yeah, Undraw's like the go-to, like, cartoony, like, SVG thing? At least for me. I don't know. Sometimes they have people, sometimes they have these, like, abstract things, but even that's, it's like, humans or something. Oh, it's with 3 A's. Yeah, humans that's kind of like that, like blob, like weird abstract, like tiny heads, big legs thing. Yeah, it's definitely, but you can like mix and match, so it's hard to tell you know which one you're seeing. Yeah, there's a lot of those ones. Let me see. Oh my, 1,000 emails a month. I think this is for, I think Mailgun and this, I think it's just for transactional emails. So $90 a month, 100,000. Okay, so yeah, it's similar, right? 100,000 emails is $90 a month. Yeah, that's about right. So it's, yeah, it's similar. Is it open source? Like, can you post it yourself? Wow, every SaaS website I've been on in the past 2 years. It's true though. Like, yeah, they all like, there'll be like a thing on Product Hunt, and someone will say, "Oh yeah, like I made this like design kit," and then every Y Combinator company just like downloads it and uses it. It's hilarious. I think for a while on Dribble, it was, there was like a crazy one. Oh, I liked it. Let me see, because I kind of like those. I kind of like those ones. Let me see, where is it? Like this. This is insanity. Look at this. What? It's like 3D campfire. It's insane. No, and there's this one that's like really crazy, and it's like the most boring thing ever. Let me see. It was oh, this is cool. This one, like, look how this is crazy. Let me see. What else? No, there's one that's like really crazy. Where it's like a guy like sprinting. Oh, this one. But it's like scalable. It's like database sharding. Like how boring. Like, look at how cool this is. Oh my gosh, like this is like a dude like sprinting and like, oh, he's going towards shards. Like, it's so cool. I don't even know if they have that still. Let me see. I think it was a solving scalability. I think I actually looked it up and it was like their real website. Let me see. What was it? Scalability with blockchain. Scalability solved blockchain. Oh yeah, it's not gonna be out here. Maybe it's just Miura. Let me see. No, that's not a thing. Okay. Well, anyway, it's really cool, and like this Studio VOR does it like a million. Like this is incredible. Like, if I saw this website, I'd be like, I want to buy whatever it is that you're selling. Like, this is intense. I mean, am I playing a video game, or is it like enterprise solutions to like Excel spreadsheets or something? I don't know. It's really cool though. I love that Elixir one. What was the Elixir one? Wait, which one? I don't even know. Let me see. Which Elixir one did I do? Let me see. Elixir? Oh, wait. You mean like Elixir, their website? Let me see. What do they have? Oh, I don't know. Do they have something? What's going on here? What? Elixir? Did I do something with an Elixir? I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of them though. Let me see. It was in the list. Oh. I didn't even see that. Let me see. Let me go back. Oh, this is really cool too. The salmon river, that's good salmon. Okay, that's great salmon. All right, let me see. Okay, here it is. Let me see. Elixir. Oh, this one. Yeah, this is insane. Like, oh, look, helping to create better gaming experiences. Like, this is intense. But it's literally just game analytics. That's super boring. That's such a boring thing. Maybe with like intense design like this, you can make something that's real boring, like video game analytics or like network analytics, really exciting. I don't know. Decentralized. Yeah, this isn't even real. I don't think this is a real thing. But yeah, this is it's cool. It's definitely way cooler than like most like I think like Ruby on Rails is okay. It has a little animated thing, little guys, right? Like kind of like getting there, but it's not like super cool or anything. It's got like juggling, different things. I don't know, whatever. This is really cool though. Let me see. What else does this person do? Let me see. Oh my goodness, it's like cherry blossoms. Oh, this is actually a game. Okay, that makes sense. This actually makes sense. Yeah. They've done a lot of stuff. Let me see. What if I go to their profile? I wonder if they've done anything since. Featured, recent. Oh, okay, so they haven't done anything. Yeah, but these like crazy animated things, I'm like, oh my goodness, like this is insane. And like this one too, right? I want this. Whatever it is, I want it. Look, there's a deer. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is cool. I wish I could design things like this, but I cannot. So yeah, I think for SMTP, if you're gonna send a lot of messages or a lot of emails, you definitely don't. Yeah, you don't want to use like this thing. Is like a third-party thing. You definitely want something like this. you, you definitely want this. Couriermail.org. And then someone in the comments was saying, what were they saying? Let me see. How can I go back to... Oh, wow, I can't even go back. Let me see. I'll look it up. Courier mail. Let's hire that guy. Buy castironsskillet.com and be rich. If I had to start over, I'd buy domain castironsskillet.com at GD after Nick. 6,000. I'd start buying old vintage cast iron skillets on eBay and then restore, then resell for premium price. Oh, is this the onion guy? Oh yeah, it is the Vidalia Onion guys. Man, I'm following him. Oh, I haven't been on Twitter in forever though. Let's see, what are people saying? It's an accurate representation. Oh yeah. Like, look how ugly Twitter's mobile website is, like when you're logged out. It's terrible. Anyway, yeah, the onions guy, onions.com/Peter. Is he starting like an onion, social network? That'd be sick. Domain names are beautiful. I enjoy acquiring them and building niche businesses that focus on purpose over profit. Vidalia onions. Man, did he talk about how much he spent on onions? Cast iron skillet. What is cast iron skillet? What is it? Oh, he didn't actually. Yeah. Oh, he used a little hyphen dot instead of the dot. Interesting. Let's hire that guy. Dude, could you imagine if you went to castironsskillet.com and it was like just insane, whatever, Studio 4 stuff, like, I mean, or if it was like cast iron skillet, it was like this, like bears, like it was like bears on a mountain. That would be intense, man. Yeah, no, this is cool though. This is cool. Just like put like skillets instead of bears. Yeah. $6,000 for a domain though. I don't know. I mean, it makes you want to. Like if you're gonna spend $6,000 on a domain, like if I was gonna spend $6,000 on a domain, I would be like, let's load it up with ads. Like I can't be sitting here not making money on this 6,000. That's a lot of money. Chick-fil-A is the only to spend on a domain. Chick-fil-A is the only company to have dashes in their domain name. I don't make the rules. I'm sorry. Chick-fil-A, do they really? Oh man, they do. Wow. Do they not own, does Chick-fil-A not own Chick-fil-A.com? Oh no, they do. They have Chick-fil-A.com and they have Chick-fil-A. That's good chicken. That's good chicken. You know what it is? It's the MSG. That's what it is. And I think Chick-fil-A was saying like, oh, we're gonna get rid of MSG. We're not gonna have MSG anymore. They have MSG. They still have it. 2021 Vidalia onion harvest fast approaching. Dude, these freaking Vidalia onions. I don't think I've ever had a Vidalia onion, but I want one. I want one now. Yeah, I want to get one shipped to your door. Heck yeah, I'm gonna buy one of these freaking Vidalia onions. Let me see. How much is it? Click here to pre-order. April 20th. It starts in a month. Oh, that's exciting. Let me see. 5 pounds of Vidalia onions. $40. I want to own a niche site and fade away into the sunset. Dude, that's true. Me too. Like, I just want something that's like super niche and just like runs on not autopilot, but like, yeah, like selling onions, for example. That's intense. Like, I would be super happy with onions. That'd be really cool. Shipping begins April 26th. Regular, jumbo, most popular. We'll begin shipping crop between April 26th. Yeah, maybe I should try to like just clone what this guy did and just like get like a farmer around here. Something that I could maybe I should do potatoes. Because Idaho. Maybe I should get a Idaho. Just freaking what potato domains are potato. Potato. I should do. What kind of potatoes are there? Potatoes. That's taken. I wonder what kind of potatoes are there? What are like native Idaho potatoes? Let me see. Idaho potato history, like, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. I think the golden, russet potatoes, of course. Is this soldier? I know, it might as well be. Let me see. Where? Wait, am I looking at a different? Oh, I'm not even looking at the thing. Ever since I opened the thing. No, it's what is this? It's just unminus. Okay, let me do the make to the moon landing. Okay, let me see. What potato domains are there? Potato. Oh yeah, I know. I just realized it. I was like, dude, HN has been on the screen. Let me check OBS. Okay, now you're looking at it. Let's see. Russet potatoes. You go like, .es. That's not terrible, right? I mean, .es, that's not terrible. Now I just have to buy the domain. Okay, hook up with a local farmer. All right, and send. Wait, can you send potatoes in the mail? Can you send potatoes in the mail? You can even mail a potato, russet, red, or otherwise. Look at that. You can even mail the potato by itself. Dude, could you imagine? Oh, you know what? This has me thinking now. What, like, just potatoes as a service? Dude, what am I even talking about? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm at a T. It's sad. Oh man, 9:30. Oh my goodness. Look at it. I mean, if you got a potato in the mail, I mean that's something, right? With like just like Sharpie on it. I would probably send someone a potato. You know what? Like if it was like reasonable, like, you know, $5 to send a potato, and I took $2 off that $5, dude. Yeah, I would be okay with that. I would send a potato. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, what am I doing? Like sending stupid emails? No, I'm not gonna send emails anymore. I'm just gonna, you know what? Let me just send price 0. Let me see. Is this gonna load? Let me see. I haven't even loaded this thing. It's like been broken this whole time. Okay. Unknown symbol headers. Okay. Oh, do headers not? Oh yeah, headers don't exist, right? Let me see. Headers. All I have to do is say request headers. Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Users upsert. Successful checkout. I don't know if I have to upsert a customer, but maybe. I mean, does it matter? Yeah, I might as well. Let's see here. Upsert. Users, customer ID. Okay. Yeah, now it should load. All right, nice, it's listening. All right. So, yeah, what am I doing with this? Like, this should not be tiny mailer. This should be tiny potatoes, right? You should literally just be able to send tiny potatoes in the mail. There's actually an API for that. Lob, I think. Lob is the thing. Let me see. Lob API. Man, could you imagine if Lob started getting a bunch of potatoes for their thing? Automate direct mail and address verification at scale. Simplifies direct mail and address verification. Print and mail. Oh, they print. Oh, you can't send potatoes? I'd have to manually send potatoes. I don't know if I want to spend like, how does the Vidalia Onion guys do it? He don't do it, does it? How does he do it? Wait, did I say that right? That was a weird plural. Yeah, like he must actually box up every single onion and send it. That's a lot of work. Yeah, you want to be the middleman to make the real money. Potato API. Oh, that's true. Oh man, could you imagine? Potato API. and like just post it to Hacker News. And then it's like, all you have to do is make one post request with an address potato platform. Dude, this is insanity. I don't even know, like, this is crazy. Like, oh man, I should really switch the Twitch thing to like let's chat or let's just chatting or whatever. Oh man, this is bad. This is really bad. I'm talking about potatoes. Yeah. This is what I do now. I just talk about potatoes on the stream. Only potatoes all the time. I'm gonna change my name. All potatoes all the time. Dang, this is this is super expensive. $225 a month? No, I don't want to get started. That's terrible. Enhanced, what is PDN? Oh, Print Delivery Network. 1 user, 10 templates, 500 monthly mailings, 70 cents a postcard, 67 cents a letter. How much is it for a potato? How much is a potato? How much is a potato, Lob? Come on. Come on now. Oh, is this, this is like social proof on the pricing page. Oh, do you really want to say what company is paying for like which pricing tier though? That's weird. That's weird. Yeah, wait, what is Expedia doing sending mail? Does Expedia send mail? Like physical mail? I don't think they do. HIPAA compliant mailings? Yeah, this is, they can't send potatoes though. That's the real problem. Human mail. Let's see, can they send potatoes? Lob API send potatoes. No, you can't. Oh, that's a shame. That's a crying shame. Oh wait, you know what? Lob already we talked about it. Okay, who is going to build us? We promised to feature them on our blog. I foresee an integration mashup of the Twitter API. Oh wait, did anyone say? Who? What is it? Oh. Okay. It tweets everyone. Oh man, this delivery tweets me. Oh, it's not potatoes. Dang it. I wish it was potatoes. It's a shame. It's a crying shame. Yeah. But you know what? I think I was programming Crystal last time. I'm over the potato thing. I mean, I kind of want to do the potato. That'd be epic. Like you could really send some real potatoes. Let's see. What was I doing with Crystal last time? I think it was just called like Your App. That's what it was. I worked on a farm CSA platforms before. That actually got released though. Yeah, usually the CSAs like farm CSA, they have like kind of a like thing, but then you kind of just like local harvest, like what is this? Yeah, like they have a websites, but they don't do the thing. Like you can't shop. Oh, you know what? Maybe you can. Fruits? Oh yeah, $50. Holy crap! What is this? What is this thing? From the fruit guys? It's grapes and a bunch of apples and oh, there's peaches. Okay, yeah, all right, $50. That's all right. Yeah, that'd be cool. The farm CSA thing. I didn't realize they had platforms. Did you do it in Crystal? That's, you know what? If you did it in Crystal, they would have shipped, right? Those things would have shipped. Meats. I wonder how much meats are. Oh my gosh, $110. 10 pounds for $110. Is that expensive? For meat? For beef? Pasture raised, grass fed, ground beef. $110 for 10 pounds. I don't know why, but that seems like a lot. But then again, it's pasture raised and it's grass fed. Is it grass fed? But is it also grass finished? Written in React, but I moved and it died. But that's why. I mean, it wasn't. Oh, you know what? Home delivery. Oh, this is a Oh, this is a East Southern California one. Joshua Tree, Idlewild, Anza. Dude, are you serious? I don't know if anyone knows, but I've been there. I've been to Anza. Yeah, let's look at this. Okay. Yeah, I've been here. Yeah, it's not the middle of nowhere, but it's close. It's close. There's this oh, there's a Circle K. Look at that. There's this there's this I don't know how to say this. I don't want to say something wrong. Casino. There's a casino. I think it's a Kahia or something. Casino. No. Let me see casino. Yeah, there it is. Right there. Boom. Oh, there it is. It's right there. I was so close. I was right there next to Anza. I knew it was there because I've seen it. Yeah, it's just in the middle of nowhere. Just a huge casino comes out of the dirt. It's like, what is going on? Anza's a crazy place. That's cool that you can get 10 pounds of grass-fed ground beef, pasture-raised for $110 delivered to Anza, though. That's so random. Like, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing right now? I don't even know. Oh, should I actually do... What was I... Oh, yeah. I was talking about the crystal thing. Let me see. What was it called? Your_app, right? What is it? Source? LS source? Okay, yeah. Your_app, crystal. Oh, what am I doing? Crystal. Okay. What am I doing? Their platform, Gray's Cart. Now make a better one with Janet. Yeah. I mean, I could probably actually make a better one with Rails, but let me see. Gray's Cart. Oh, you know what? When I open a new thing, it opens a new Safari. There we go. Let me make sure. Oh, there it is. Website plus e-commerce for farmers, butcher shops, and groceries. Pricing. With 100 orders, you'll pay 124. All the way, maximum. Oh man, contact us for pricing. Wait, why are they? You start for free. What if I make no? Oh, you still pay? You still pay money, even if you make no orders. What? 50 orders, you'll pay 124 each month. Okay, does it ever? When does it stop? Oh, there it is, 200. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. On the number of orders. This is crazy. You should just use Shopify, right? Like Shopify CSA. There's probably some kind of plugin, right? With subscription. Oh, subscription boxes. I mean, that's basically a CSA, right? It's a subscription. Oh, no. It's a subscription. Oh, my goodness. There. Family dinner. Perfect. I knew it was there. Look at this. This is essentially a CSA. Oh, no. It's even their community supported agriculture. Look at that. They even spelled it out. Yeah, so yeah, you just use Shopify. How much is Shopify anyway? I think it's actually cheaper than that Gray's Cart thing. Let me see. 124. That's the whole point of niche platform. That's true though. I guess yeah, you don't have to like do some weird contortions with Shopify. Let me see. Sell, start. Where? Oh, pricing. $30 a month. Man, that's hard to beat though. Yeah, that's tough. But yeah, Gray's Cart. I would tired of websites that don't work. Too valuable. They don't get results. Hundreds of Gray's Cart. I mean, I guess yeah, it's like specific to CSAs, right? Who we serve meat and dairy. Do they have examples of? Oh, they do. Testimonials, right? Lilac Hedge Farm. Let's look that up. Okay, so this is on Gray's Cart probably. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Maybe, right? I mean, if you could customize the look, that's, yeah. Okay, I mean, I guess, yeah, like it's just like a grid of stuff. $12 a pound for skinless? Is that a word? Skinless? Boneless? Skinless? Yeah, I guess it is, yeah. $12 a pound for boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Interesting. Can I just do that? Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah. What, where is this? Meet CSA? How it work? About our farm. Yeah. Skinful. Skinful. I like skinful chicken breasts. Let me see. Pigs. I just like chicken. Chicken's delicious. Here on Lilac Hedge Farm, our farm practice is setting a new standard pasture raised. Where is it though? Like, where is it? Like, it looks, what? Like, where is it? Where? Okay, our CSA, blah, blah, blah. 350 acre farmland, Bond Road. Is that what it said? Oh, right there. Oh, Massachusetts. Yeah. Let's look at it. Hedge farm, satellite. Gotta take a look. Oh, that is big. Wow, that's big. What's the closest? Man, the East Coast like blows my mind. Like it's so developed compared to the West Coast. Worcester, Massachusetts. That's the closest thing to it. Where's Boston? Where is it? I don't even know where Boston. Wait, Boston's in Massachusetts, right? Where is it? I don't even know. Oh, Oxford, Massachusetts. Where the heck is it? Where the heck is Boston? Providence. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's pretty far from Boston, but not that far. Like, what if we did Boston? It's only an hour from Boston, dude. What the heck? Bond Road. Duh. Yeah, thanks. I didn't see that. It's crazy. Like you're looking at stuff I'm not even looking at. I don't even see this stuff. Look, you can get to Boston City Hall and this guy's farm in 1 hour on this highway. Dude, are you kidding? That's crazy. How can you have a farm that's like, what is it? How many acres? 350 acres or something? How can you have a farm that's 350 acres an hour from Boston? What? Why am I saying it like that? Boston. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, and then there's like houses too? What the heck? Milk Room Brewing Company? I mean, it's good beer. Let me see. Yeah, I bet that's really good. It looks, it looks like a farm. Yeah, 350 acres. That's a lot of acres though. Is this 350 acres? Like just this, like right here, this area? I guess it is. Yeah. I should just get a farm. I should stop. I should just live stream from the farm. Like, I'm just gonna get a farm, and that'll be that, right? Okay. All right. Yeah. But anyway, back to my boring thing, my web project. This is the first picture of Milk Room Brew I want to see is not of alpacas. Well, they do brewing, but they also do alpaca skinning too. They get the fur. They don't skin the alpacas. They shave them for the fur, right? So they'll give you. So hopefully there's no alpaca fur or whatever in the beer. Yeah, that's true though. Alpacas and the brewing thing mixed together. Yeah, it's risky. It's risky. Okay, let me see. I've been running Courier for years. Happy with it. Why do you run your own? Because it's cheap. That's why. I usually run it together with Postfix for SMTP. Virtual accounts, front page for the first time. Yeah, that's interesting. Let me see. How do you install it? Oh, okay. Some involved process that may overwhelm people. Oh man, all right, let me see. Oh wow, look at this table of contents to install this thing. No wonder people use like Mailgun or Oh My SMTP. Jeez, this is a lot. I mean, there's a lot of optional stuff, but my goodness. But I definitely would love to have like a good IP address that has good deliverability for like Gmail mailboxes. That'd be sick. And then you could literally charge anything you want, right? Like, I'm not gonna charge, what is it? Point whatever, some 80 cents for 1,000 emails, right? I can charge nothing, right? like people can use TinyMailer for free. It's definitely getting involved. I mean, no one's gonna use this anyway, so I think it's fine. But yeah, I have to implement the Stripe stuff, which I've done before, using the new like Stripe checkout stuff. Yeah, I did that before in Janet. So, pre-built checkout page. That's what it is. We built checkout so you don't have to. So you like click this thing, it goes to this checkout page, and that's it. It comes back to your thing with a webhook, and it's pretty easy. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, that's not even a real email. I should probably rate limit this. Now that I think about it, right? Oh, where's the token? There it is. But yeah, I think I'll just stick to Mailgun for now. It looks like something. It definitely is a thing. Yeah, it's definitely something. I mean, it works. I don't know. It's not bad. Oh, and then it has a mobile thing too. Yeah. It's funny how over it I am now. It's kind of sad. Yeah. But I definitely want to do it and fix it and make it work. Yeah. But I also want to send potatoes through the mail. So that's something that I want to do. Oh my gosh, 9:47. Oh my goodness. I gotta go to sleep. Man. So yeah. I feel like giving. What app are you making, Matt? Link it. Link your app. Wait, can you link it? Just describe it. Describe the app. Describe it. Wait, how come this isn't like? How do you refresh on the thing? Like, what is the? Oh, what the heck? Okay. Maybe I should just mess around with this till the end. Feature flagging, yes. Deployed, working. It's not released, deployed, and work. It's deployed. You got to do it then. Oh, what the heck? Oh, Crystal's not working still. Oh man. You got to do it then, right? You got to. Wait, link it. Link it in the chat. Don't worry, no one's here. No one's here. It's okay. No one's gonna see it. No one will judge you. Let me see. I just get. Yeah, maybe I should just use Kamal and Crystal. It's cool not to write parens everywhere. Feature flagging. It's not released, deployed. Oh, it's not released, deployed, or working. It is none of those things. I missed it. I thought you said it's not released, but it is deployed and it's working. Dude, that's so funny. You know what's funny about feature flagging? I really do think like feature flags are like, oh wow, Launch Darkly changed it. Whoa, look at those little toggles. Oh man, like it came out. Like it was like meh. That's so funny. Yeah, I do think like feature flag, like look at all these companies using this exactly. Like feature flags that you don't manage yourself in your own database. I think it's super. I think it can like. I think feature flags are better than like deploys. Like imagine if you were just always deploying, right? Like Darklang does this, right? Like they took it to the logical conclusion, right? It's like you build your stuff with this and it's always live. Like everything you type is live, right? Like, and like, sure, it's broken while it's being typed, but when you like finish a little route, it like is live. And then now that it's live, right? You toggle it with a feature thing. So there's no deploy process. It's just everything's live all the time. And the feature flag is what determines if it's live. Yeah, I'm bullish on feature flags. I love feature flags. I wrote some crappy feature flag thing for my work. But yeah, definitely feature flags. Like they're really cool. Obviously Launch Darkly, right? $75 a month. That's a lot. But yeah, feature flags, really cool. They have more than feature flags, I think. Feature workflows. I don't know what that is. But yeah, flag triggers. Oh wow, that's cool. Wow, they're going crazy on it. Yeah. So is yours similar, where you would like do like you would like download all feature flags on SDK start, and then like you toggle them, and then like it's cached kind of, and like it periodically syncs. Like that's what I think that's what they do. Streaming connection, right? Our streaming technology. Streaming technology, dude. Launch Darkly. I guarantee you, it's literally just a WebSocket. Hilarious. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's yeah, that's probably what's happening. But yeah, feature flags, dude. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. I was working on something a little while, like years ago, for feature flags, but I also never did it. The goal was to be like the app Unleash, which is open source. GitLab use them for their enterprise version. Unleash feature flags. Feature flags. Okay, there it is. Is the open source feature toggle. Feature toggle. Are they feature flags or feature toggles? That was one thing. Let me see. Okay, well, I don't know what that is. Get Unleash has docs. Okay, oh, it has a website. No, that is the website. Dude, look at that icon. I don't know if I like that icon. What is this music? Like, what is going on? It's like experimental. I swear the terrible music comes up all the time. Ooh, dubstep. Ugh. Alright. The enterprise ready feature toggle service. Getting started. Okay, let's see how it works. Unleash started. Okay, so it has its own server, right? And then securing. Contribute API. Got some routes here. Database backup. Runs on Postgres. Test your server, create feature A, description type. Yeah. I mean, it's like if you use any of the major ones though, like even Lucky Framework probably has one. Let me see, Lucky feature flags. Maybe. Let me see. And it's huge. Feature flags IO, which I think this is run by Launch Darkly. Maybe not. Oh, Lucky doesn't have one. Yeah. Maybe though. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah, everyone. Rails feature flags, right? Django feature flags. Yeah, they all have like a million open source ones. But yeah, feature flags, like, it's like I like the like percentage based rollouts and all that stuff. Like I like the externally managed feature flags, but I think most small products, like it's gonna be an enterprise thing, right? This is what they did. Look at its dashboard. Like if this is not enterprise, I don't know what is. Like, so it's cool that like everyone in the whole thing can like do it, right? But yeah, it's just, if you just want, literally it's an if else statement, that's easy to do. But the thing about the external feature flags would be like percentage rollouts. Like I'm gonna roll out to like 10% of my active users, right? That's something that like Facebook and things do that you can't do as just a single programmer, or you can do, but like, do you really want to spend time like doing that? That's why I think feature flags would be cool as a service, similar to Launch Darkly, but you don't want to pay $75 a month. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's just a lot. I don't know how much you get for that, really. But yeah, it's a ton. Yeah. And it seems like only enterprise people get cool stuff, right? Like SAML, custom roles and permissions. Everyone else doesn't. So it seems like they don't even care about anyone except for enterprise, which I don't know. That's fine. Yeah. Our customers powering 22 of Fortune 100 and count. That's a lot of selling. Like, could you imagine? I'm gonna sell my feature flag software to IBM. That must have been like a whole year of like just like salespeople talking back and forth on both companies. Like people get fired and like, oh, my salesperson that my point of contact at IBM got fired, and now I have to like get a new point of contact. It's gonna set the whole deal back like 2 years. That's crazy. Yeah, that'd be cool though. That'd be cool. It's this is a cool page though. See more teams. Oh my gosh, like this is insane. Look, I mean they put the big ones. Microsoft, right? SAP, Intuit, right? GoDaddy's on this thing? What the heck? But now I just want to go dig up my farm CSA docs. Yeah, that's true though. I mean, why would you do feature flags when you could just have a farm? Like, you just do the farm. The farm is better, okay? Just, yeah, do the CSA thing, sell to farmers, and then when you do the okay, this is the master plan, all right? When you do the CSA thing, okay, you go to the farmers, and then when you find a farmer who's willing to work with you, then you start selling whatever crop grows in the summertime in your state, okay? That's what you do. Master plan, that's it. Then you're just like the onions guy. You're exactly the same. You buy a sick domain called like potatoes.com, and then like there it is, $6,000. Now you're selling potatoes on the internet. And then you make a cool Hacker News post that like goes viral, and it's like one of the best. Actually, you know what? I'm going to the top post of all times. How do you wait? Hacker News top. Wait, can I just see that? Top? Is there a thing? Past? No. New? Like what? What am I doing? Let me see. What if I just type in nothing to search? Stories popular. Okay, here we go. Let me see. Is it on here? I'm pretty sure it is. Let me see. Wow, that GitHub thing really got a lot of points. Let's see, onions. Oh, there it is, right there. I just saw it. Look at 3,000 points on Hacker News 2 years ago. Dude, that's gonna be you, all right? If you, not onions, but I don't know what you're gonna sell, but yeah, that's the master plan right there. Then you can just make this post and then go viral on Hacker News. And then everyone gets jealous because they're not selling onions, you know? Anyway, this is probably the most unproductive stream I think I've ever had. I sell goat milk soap. Wait, do they make goat milk soap? Let me see. Goat milk soap? Let me see. All natural goat. Oh, they do. Bend Soap? Is that Bend, Oregon? Let me see. Bend Soap Co. Let's go to about. Oh, it's like infinite scroll almost. It is Bend, Oregon. Look at that, dude. Let's see where they are. I love Bend, Oregon. Like such a cool place. If you've never been to Bend, Oregon, Smith Rock State Park. That's a cool place. Such like it comes out of the desert. What the COVID-19? Get out of my face. Yeah, it like comes out of the desert. I went there like I don't even know, like 4 years ago, 3 years ago. It's cool. Like you can bring your dog. It's really cool. Like yeah, such like good hikes. Like it's a cool area. And then like Bend has like a little downtown. And there's like a REI there. Let me see. Is there an REI here? Let me see. Jules. It's gotta be here somewhere. Let me see. It's on like a weird bend. Where is the REI in Bend? REI? My friend has a goat farm, so it was first thing. Dude, yeah. Could you imagine? Oh, there it is. It is on a bend. See? Look at that. There's a river running through the town. Like, dude, Bend is really cool. Like, Bend is one of those places where I'm like, wow, like, if I didn't ever have to work again, I would go to Bend. That'd be sick. Like, because obviously there's probably like one software job there. So it's like, yeah, that'd be sick though. Like, if I could just work remotely forever, that'd be nice. Not the actual farming part. He can keep doing. I would do a little farming, you know, pitch in a little bit. Dude, yeah, goat farm though. That's cool. Like if you did, if you did goat milk soap, heck yeah. Like look at this. I want to buy this tea tree goat milk soap. It's probably super good for your skin. I love goat milk. I love goat cheese. There was this place, I used to live in a place called Temecula. There was this place called Public House. And they used to have goat cheese, goat toast. Like it was like just a big slice of sourdough and like goat cheese, melted goat cheese on the top. And what was on it? Let's look at the menu. Let me see. What was on there? Oh, there's multiple locations now? San Juan Capistrano. Get out of here, man. Let's see. Let's look at the menu. Anyway, whatever. Goat milk and goat cheese. I'd rub it on my body. I'd put it in my body. I'd do it all. Oh, there it is. Goat toast. Wait. Start order. Okay, just let me see. Let me get to the thing. There it is. Okay. Herbed goat cheese panini. Topped with sweet roasted tomatoes. Finished with a balsamic reduction and citrus greens. It's the best. Like, I don't recommend going to Temecula ever. But if you do wind up in Temecula, you got to get this. This is the thing to do. Go straight to Public House, sit down on the outside seating, because it's COVID, and get some of this. It's delicious. Anyway. Yeah. If you start making goat milk soap, I'll be your first order. I will buy... How much is this? Before I say that. $5? I will buy goat milk soap from you, okay? That's a promise, okay? That is a promise. $5 for goat milk soap. I don't care. Oh, unscented. I'm gonna do unscented. And yes. What's crazy is you don't even have to. We get goat milk every week to give to the baby. I can't bring myself to try it because. Is it sour? It is a little. You know what? It is a little sour. It's not like as sweet as like cow's milk, but yeah, I love goat's milk. Like I think it's so good. But yeah, I think it's really good. Goat cheese is good too. Yeah, goat cheese is good. It messes me up though, the goat cheese. Oh man, like I think I had too much of it though, because it was just so good. I felt terrible, but yeah. All right, I gotta stop streaming. It's 10 o'clock. I gotta go to sleep. I'm getting like a roof installed tomorrow, so I gotta wake up early and walk my dog. All right, Matt, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Anyone else who's watching, I also appreciate that. Maybe next time I'll actually do some programming. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.